Hello everyone, in this video I will compare FuboTV, YouTube TV and Hulu Live. FuboTV offers the most extensive live sports coverage with leagues like the NFL, NBA, MLB and international soccers. It provides access to local channels and regional sports networks where available. Includes over 180 plus channels with add-on packages for premium sports and entertainment. Its cloud TV are included with generous storage for recording games and shows. It has a higher monthly cost compared to rivals, but is tailored for die-hard sports fans. YouTube TV has 100 plus channels covering news, sports, and entertainment in one package. It includes unlimited cloud DVR with recordings capped for 9 months. It is excellent local channel coverage, making it reliable for regional broadcasts. It has a user-friendly interface with a strong app support across devices. Mid-range pricing offers the best balance for most households. Hulu Plus Live TV combines 95 plus live channels with Hulu's full on-demand library. Bundled with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus for broader entertainment and sports content. It includes cloud DVR with the option to skip ads on recorded shows. It is great for families who want live TV plus streaming originals in one plan. Slightly fewer channels than YouTube TV, but it offers strong overall value through its bundle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.